Notice your thoughts, let them pass without judgment, and be aware that they are there. These are the key principles of mindfulness meditation. Often practiced with eyes closed, legs crossed and back straight, mindfulness allows a person to be aware of the things that they wouldn't normally notice. It is becoming far more recognised as a way to deal with mental health problems like depression and anxiety, with early research suggesting it helps to improve low moods. Victoria Walduck explains how mindfulness can be helpful for treating anxiety disorders like OCD.
You sit and you practice, usually you close your eyes and you calm down and you start to notice your repeated thoughts, your thought patterns. So in terms of anxious or irrational or thoughts that are a problem or you'd rather not have, you're just practicing being able to see them. So it's an awareness initially. You know, you may not be aware of them starting to happen, or when you're in the middle of them, you may only be able to notice afterwards, but the more you practice, you'll start to be able to notice them as they happen.
But mindfulness isn't just about meditating. Classes also incorporate teaching into practice so that people learn how their negative thoughts can have an impact on their lifestyle.
The more you notice the thoughts, you have already sort of become a master over it if you've noticed it, I would say. So instead of being lost in the story, being unconscious of it and just being in that worry or that anxious thought, when you notice it, you've become a witness of it. And that's very different. That's a kind of wiser place to be. If you're on automatic and you're thinking thoughts without even knowing you are, that's when it's a problem. That's when you can't change. But when you know you're doing that, that's when you can start to change.